Okay, our last video today is going to help us show you how to find the volume of a triangular prism. Remember, the volume is the base area times the height of that prism. And since this is a triangular prism, we're going to find the area of the triangle first. So remember, the area for triangles, base times height, divided by 2. And then we're going to multiply it by the height of our prism. Okay, so let's do that triangle first. So what's the base of that triangle? The base is 24. The height of that triangle is 7. And then we're going to divide that by 2. So find that area and then multiply it by the height of our prism, which is 22. And once you do that, you'll have your answer. Plug it in. If you still get a wrong answer, make sure that you check with that teacher, and they'll help you through that one. Okay? Thank you, guys. Have a great time.